How to use Rakuten points. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to use Rakuten points. Rakuten points are like digital money you earn when you shop through Rakuten. You can use these points in several ways. The most common way is to redeem them for discounts on future purchases at Rakuten's partner stores. Some stores let you pay partly or fully with points. You can also exchange them for gift cards, travel rewards, or even cashback in some cases. If you shop in Rakuten Japan, you can use them for Rakuten services like mobile plans or travel bookings. Make sure to check the expiration date of your points so you don't lose them. To use them, just go to the checkout page, select Use Rakuten Points, and choose how many points to apply. It's a great way to save money while shopping. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.